We've seen all kinds of problems between lovers, rich and poor, not being able to decide whom he loves or whom she loves. The entire neighborhood and the elders are making them bhan bhai, bhan bhai, bhan bhai, bhan bhai. This film gave me an opportunity to bring that kind of villain on screen because the role demanded it. Rajkumar Rao, realistic type of actor hai.
बिल्कुल.
Anthony D'Souza called me and he says, "Sir, I just saw the screening. You're one of the major highlight of the picture." I said, "What are you saying, Tony?" Batman! Gulshan Grover here on Bollywood Hungama. And what a hungama!
You're coming up in Behan Hogi Teri, that is the next Hindi film, and there was we have heard reports that you used to be mobbed over there, and while the shooting was going on in Lucknow.
Right.
So can you share the experience with us of doing Behan Hogi Teri?
First of all, Behan Hogi Teri is a very interesting film because this deals with a lover's dilemma or lover's problem of a new kind. We've seen all kinds of problems between lovers, rich and poor, not being able to decide whom he loves or whom she loves. But here's a problem: they love each other, and the entire neighborhood and the elders are making them bhan bhai, bhan bhai, bhan bhai, bhan bhai, because they've grown up together in that neighborhood. So the lovers have a new problem and funny problem, interesting problem, where they can't express their relationship because of how the others are perceiving them to be.
Correct.
That is very interesting and funny.
Right.
Then also we have young interesting actor Rajkumar Rao and Shruti Hassan, and the younger makers who think fresh and young, like Anthony D'Souza, who's one of the producer and also has a great participation in everything that is creative, Amul Mohan and Nitin. The director Ajay, he also has a very youngish way.
Very fine writer, I believe.
Yes.
I think is it.
And the music is by such tremendous, young people, experienced people, everybody, And along with that, it's for a long time, my fans keep saying whenever I meet them at an airport or somewhere, वो आपकी वो विलन वाली पिक्चर नहीं आती, वो बैड मैन जैसा रोल नहीं आता. आजकल सिनेमा में विलन तो दिखता ही नहीं है. They're right. This film gave me an opportunity to bring that kind of villain on screen because the role demanded it.
Wow.
The role of Dhappi Dada is such that when Dhappi Dada appears on screen, people run away.
Right.
That doesn't happen anymore for characters to appear on screen. I mean, it used to be कि जब पहले खलनायक आता था जूते उतरते थे, ये होता था, लोग भाग जाते थे, हट जाते थे. Dhappi Dada has the fragrance, has the a feel of those characters, but yet it's been done in today's today's way of work, today's way of acting, and with me having done those characters. And with me having had the experience of world cinema, and put it all together and sort of presented a character that could be in those films, but in today's circumstances, today's style of acting, and something that is because you see, Rajkumar Rao realistic type of actor है.
बिल्कुल.
और वो थोड़ी इसमें कमर्शियल एक्टिंग कर रहा है, कमर्शियल फिल्म के अंदर है. और वो कैरेक्टर जो उस समय होते थे वो तो बिल्कुल ही अनरियलिस्टिक होते थे.
Absolutely.
एक्टिंग भी अनरियलिस्टिक होती थी. सो we sort of brought it, I mean they brought the character and I sort of brought it alive on the screen, and I'm very happy that after the first screening Anthony D'Souza called me and he says, "Sir, I just saw the screening, you're one of the major highlight of the picture." I said, "What are you saying, Tony?" He says, "Yes, you are." Then Amul Mohan called, and I met my colleague Ronit Roy the other day.
Oh, okay.
And he said, "Sir, I saw Behan Hogi Teri. My God, what a tremendous job you've done." And then I met somebody else, and I went to the music launch of the picture, and all those people who had seen it, . It's because गायब हो गया था खलनायक स्क्रीन से, गायब हो गया था उस तरह के कैरेक्टर्स जिनके आते ही भगदड़ मच जाए, लोग भाग जाएं, हट जाएं, जिनके सामने हिम्मत ही नहीं है ये कहने की कि आप जो कह रहे हो गलत है या दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट इज, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन रेफरेंस टू दिस फिल्म, the lovers are finding strength to say कि ये बहन नहीं है. And there comes दप्पी दादा. अब वो क्या इनके बाप भी नहीं बोल सकते.